What if your tiny apartment could feel twice as big by tonight without moving a single wall? In this countdown of 30 smart Amazon Home gadgets, you'll see the one upgrade that turns dead space into usable storage, the simple sensor that can save you from a costly leak, and the "why didn't I buy this sooner" comfort fix for daily life. Small space, big change. Let's make it happen. 1. Echo Hub. If your smart home feels smart only when you have time to open 5 different apps, this is the fix. This wall-friendly control panel gives you one clean dashboard where you can tap to control lights, plugs, routines, and even pull up live camera feeds. It also acts as a built-in hub for popular smart home standards, so devices connect more seamlessly. The best part? It makes daily routines, good morning, movie night, bedtime, feel effortless instead of complicated. 2. Ring Battery Doorbell. Video doorbell camera. Apartment living means you share hallways, but you shouldn't share uncertainty. This battery doorbell gives you head-to-toe coverage, so you can see who's at the door and what's happening near the floor. Yes, including packages. You get motion alerts, live view, and two-way talk so you can answer from anywhere. It charges via USB-C and is designed to be simple to mount and use. Day or night, it adds peace of mind without feeling like a big install project. 3. Kasa Smart Plug with Energy Monitoring. Want your dumb appliances to feel smart without buying all new gear? This compact smart plug is a tiny upgrade that makes a big difference. It supports Matter, so it can work across major smart home platforms, and it's built for real appliances with a 15A/1800 watts max rating. The bonus is energy monitoring, so you can finally see which devices are quietly running up your bill. Set schedules, automate routines, and make your small space feel more efficient with almost zero effort. 4. Linkind Matter Smart Light Bulb. Lighting is the easiest way to make a small apartment feel bigger, warmer, and more you. These Matter-compatible smart bulbs let you control colors, scenes, and schedules across supported smart home systems. There's even a wake-up style mode that shifts light over time to match your day, plus music sync for instant party vibes. They're designed to be energy efficient compared with old-school bulbs, and because it's all app-controlled, you can change the mood from bed without moving an inch. 5. Veise EUHOMY Built-in Wi-Fi smart lock with knob. Ever had that "did I lock the door" panic halfway down the stairs? This smart lock is made for real life. It has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can lock or unlock remotely without needing a separate hub. It supports multiple ways to get in, like fingerprint, PIN, app control, backup key, and more, so you're never stuck. You can manage access for roommates or guests, enable auto-lock, and get status updates right on your phone. It's convenience and security in one clean upgrade. 6. Wi-Fi water leak detectors. In an apartment, a small leak can become a big, expensive disaster, fast. These Wi-Fi water sensors are designed to catch drips early, whether it's under the sink, near the washer, or behind the toilet. When water is detected, you get a loud alarm with adjustable volume, and you can also silence alerts through the app or on the sensor. With multiple detectors in one set, you can cover the danger zones in minutes. It's one of those boring gadgets that saves you from a very not boring problem. 7. Roborock Saros 10R. Robot Vacuum and Mop. Small spaces get messy faster because you live in every corner. This robot vacuum and mop combo is built for hands-off cleaning, with smart obstacle detection to navigate around cords and clutter. It's designed to tackle edges and corners more effectively and includes anti-tangle tech that helps with hair and pet fur. When it finds heavily soiled areas, it can trigger deeper cleaning with rewash and remop behavior. Add an ultra-thin profile for getting under furniture, and you've got a daily reset button for your floors. 8. EUHOMY Countertop Dishwasher. If your sink is always full, your kitchen will always feel smaller than it is. This countertop dishwasher is made for apartments because it doesn't require permanent plumbing. Just fill the built-in 5-liter tank and run a cycle. It offers multiple wash programs, including options like quick eco and baby care style high-temp cleaning, so you can match the setting to the mess. It's a huge quality of life upgrade for small households, turning dishes from a daily chore into something you barely think about. 9. Superday Portable Washing Machine. Laundry day doesn't have to mean hauling bags down elevators or across parking lots. This portable twin tub washer is designed for small space living, giving you a wash side and a spin side so you can handle loads at home. It includes separate timer controls and simple wash modes, making it easy to run quick cycles for everyday clothes. The capacity is geared toward light to medium loads, which is perfect for apartment routines. When you're done, it's compact enough to tuck away, so your laundry room can be a closet again. 10. Keenray Towel Warmer Bucket. This is the kind of gadget that makes your bathroom feel instantly upgraded. A towel warmer turns the simple act of showering into a spa moment. Warm towels, robes, even pajamas, right when you want them. This one includes timed heating options with auto shutoff, plus a delay start feature so it can be ready for your morning routine. A child safety lock adds peace of mind, and the design is meant to look sleek on display instead of being hidden away. Cozy luxury, minus the hotel bill. 11. Electric composter for kitchen. No backyard? No problem. This electric composter turns daily food scraps into usable compost indoors, helping you cut down kitchen waste without the smell. It's built with dual filtration designed to fight odors and discourage pests, and it runs quietly enough for everyday life. The bucket is non-stick and supports self-cleaning, so maintenance doesn't become another chore. With multiple modes and a simple display, it's a surprisingly easy step towards sustainable living, especially for apartment dwellers who still want to feed houseplants instead of filling trash bags. 12. Airtok Air Purifier for Home Large Room. If your apartment air gets stale fast, cooking smells, pet dander, dust, this is a smart fix that works quietly in the background. This purifier is designed for large coverage and uses a sensor-driven approach to monitor air quality in real time. It includes a washable pre-filter to help extend filter life, plus a sleep mode that dims lights and lowers noise for nighttime comfort. There's even an aromatherapy tray, if you want the room to feel fresher while it cleans. Clean air makes small spaces feel lighter, calmer, and more comfortable. 13. Dreo Smart Humidifier. Dry air can make a small room feel uncomfortable. Scratchy throat, irritated skin, unhappy plants. This smart, cool mist humidifier is designed to solve that with app and voice control, an auto mode that tracks humidity, and a top fill tank that's easy to refill without splashing. It's built to run long hours and uses fine mist output to help spread moisture more evenly without soaking surfaces. Add in the nightlight and display, and it becomes one of those set-it-and-forget-it comfort upgrades you'll notice every day. 14. Mini Smart Vision Beam Projector. A giant TV can dominate a tiny apartment, but a projector can give you the big screen feeling without eating wall space. This compact smart projector is built for easy setup, with auto keystone correction to help straighten the image when your placement isn't perfect. It supports modern wireless connections like Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, so streaming and pairing audio can be simpler. Whether it's movie night on a blank wall or cartoons in the bedroom, it turns small space into home theater in minutes, then packs away when you're done. 15. Lamicall Tablet Pillow Stand. If you watch shows, read, or scroll in bed, you know the struggle. Sore wrists, tired arms, and a tablet that keeps sliding. This pillow stand is designed to make lounging actually comfortable, with multiple adjustable viewing angles for both portrait and landscape use. The triangular cushion style sits nicely on a lap, bed, or sofa, and it's built to support your device without wobbling. It can even handle more than one device at once, which is perfect for multitasking, like a video on one screen and notes on the other. 16. True and Tidy XL. Rechargeable fabric shaver with light. If your favorite sweater looks tired after one season, this gadget is basically a reset button. The XL head covers more fabric fast, while the 6-leaf blade and safety mesh shave off fuzz and pills without chewing up your clothes. A built-in LED light helps you spot the sneaky patches you always miss, and 3 speed levels let you go gentle on delicates or power through upholstery. It's USB-C rechargeable, cordless, and has a battery display, so your couch, blankets, and hoodies stay looking new. 17. Dr. Prepare Boot Dryer. Nothing ruins a small space home like damp shoes that smell like yesterday's rain. This boot dryer uses forced air to dry footwear faster and help knock out moisture and odor. Perfect for rainy seasons, winter, gym shoes, or sweaty work boots. It's designed to fold down for compact storage, which matters when your closet is already doing overtime. The telescoping tubes help fit different types of gear, so you can dry boots, shoes, gloves, or socks in one simple setup. Clean, dry gear without taking over your apartment. 18. Selegna Diatomite Stone Sponge Caddy. A wet sponge sitting by the sink is a tiny thing that makes your kitchen feel instantly messier. This diatomite stone caddy fixes that by absorbing water fast, so your sponge dries quicker and your counter stays cleaner. It's made from diatomaceous earth, designed to pull moisture away instead of trapping it, which helps create a more hygienic sink area. The look is modern and minimal, so it doesn't scream utility. In a small apartment kitchen, this is the kind of subtle upgrade that keeps everything feeling fresher, day after day. 19. KVRG Heavy-Duty Appliance Rollers. Cleaning behind a washer or fridge shouldn't feel like a full-body workout. These heavy-duty appliance rollers use a lift-and-roll style design, so you can move bulky machines with way less strain. The frame is adjustable to fit different appliance sizes, and the bottom pads are designed to grip the floor when you're not moving it. Stable when parked, smooth when you need access. It also raises appliances slightly to help with ventilation and moisture resistance. For small spaces, it's a sanity saver. Clean behind, grab lost items, and slide it back. Done. 20. Noodle board stovetop cover with handles. Small kitchens have one main problem: not enough counter. This wooden stovetop cover turns your burners into instant workspace when you're not cooking, perfect for meal prep, plating, or just having a place to set things down. It's also designed to double as a big serving tray, so you can carry snacks or drinks with the built-in handles. The farmhouse-style look adds cozy decor, and it helps protect your stove from dust, scratches, and splashes. When space is tight, hidden counter space is basically luxury. 21. FURNIKNA Wall-Mounted Folding Table. If you've ever wished your home office could disappear when guests come over, this is how. This wall-mounted table folds down when you need a desk, laundry folding station, or mini workbench, then flips back up to reclaim your floor space. The design uses a simple release mechanism, so converting it takes seconds, not tools and frustration. It's made for small spaces where every square foot counts, and it creates a clean, dedicated surface without committing to a bulky desk forever. Practical, tidy, and surprisingly freeing. 22. TAKEKIT Rotating Bookshelf. Book lovers in small apartments know the struggle. You want storage, but you don't want a giant shelf eating the room. This rotating bookshelf goes vertical and spins 360 degrees, so you can reach any side with a simple turn. It combines solid wood and clear acrylic for a modern floating look that keeps things visually light. The open shelves display your collection from every angle, and the 4 tiers give you real capacity in a compact footprint. It's storage that feels like decor, and it makes grabbing your next read weirdly fun. 23. Under bed storage containers. Under the bed is prime real estate, so why let it collect dust bunnies instead of storage? These large, collapsible underbed containers are built to swallow bulky stuff like blankets, towels, seasonal clothes, or extra bedding, then slide out when you need them. The set gives you multiple bins, which is huge for sorting and staying organized instead of creating one chaotic everything bag. When you're done, they're designed to fold down flatter, so you can store the organizers too. In tiny homes, this is how you create space you didn't have. 24. Mopal Automatic Bathroom Trash Can with Lid. This is one of those small upgrades that makes your bathroom feel instantly more modern. The motion sensor lid gives you hands-free use, so no touching the trash can with wet hands, lotion hands, or I just cleaned hands. The slim shape is made for tight spots next to a toilet or vanity, and the lid helps contain odors, so your small space stays fresher. It's the kind of gadget you stop noticing, because it just works, until you use a regular trash can again and wonder how you tolerated it. 25. Furology Baker's Rack with Power Outlet and LED Light. When counter space is limited, you need one station that does multiple jobs. This Baker's Rack gives you 4 tiers for storage and a built-in power setup. 2 outlets plus USB ports, so your microwave, coffee maker, and chargers can finally live in one organized zone. It even includes LED light strips with adjustable color vibes for parties, holidays, or cozy nights. Add the pegboard and S-hooks for mugs and utensils, and suddenly your kitchen looks bigger, cleaner, and way more put together. It's a mini coffee bar, pantry, and charging hub in one. 26. Shoe cabinet storage with 2 flip drawers. Shoes scattered by the door make a small apartment feel instantly cluttered. This is the clean fix. This slim cabinet uses flip drawers to hide pairs away, so your entryway looks calm even when life is chaotic. The design focuses on capacity with multiple drawer sections, so you can store more than you'd expect in a narrow footprint. The top surface also becomes a landing zone for keys, wallets, or decor, because every flat surface matters in tight spaces. It's one of those before and after upgrades you notice the second you install it. 27. Room divider with shelves. Studio apartment? Shared space? This is the cheat code for instant separate rooms. This freestanding folding divider comes with multiple panels and double hinges, so you can angle it to fit your layout and fold it away when you don't need it. The built-in shelf sections add bonus display space for plants, candles, or photo frames, which is huge when you're short on surfaces. It's designed to work right out of the box with no assembly, giving you privacy, structure, and a cleaner-looking home in minutes. 28. FlyPal Fireproof and Waterproof Document Bag with Combination Lock. In a small home, you don't always have room for a big safe, but your important documents still deserve protection. This fireproof and waterproof document bag is built with multiple protective layers and a flap design meant to cover the zipper area. It includes a combination lock and a double zip system for extra security, plus an XL interior that fits large folders and even a laptop-sized item. There's also an internal zipper pouch for smaller valuables like passports and cash. It's portable, foldable, and made for grab-and-go emergencies. Quiet peace of mind, stored in a drawer. 29. Latimex Folding Coat Hooks. This is how you add storage without adding clutter. These foldable wall hooks flip out when you need them. Backpacks, coats, towels, headphones, and fold back down when you don't, keeping your walls clean and minimal. They're made from aluminum alloy with a smooth, frosted finish designed not to snag fabric, and each hook mounts with screws for a sturdier hold. Put them in the entryway, bathroom, bedroom, or closet. Anywhere stuff tends to pile up. In a small apartment, hidden storage tricks like this feel like magic. 30. Small floating shelf for wall. Every tiny home needs a few "where do I put this" spots, especially in the bathroom. This small wall-mounted shelf gives you a quick landing zone for little essentials like a phone, earbuds, keys, or toiletries without taking up counter space. The compact design is made to sit neatly on a wall and blend in, and it's built for lightweight daily items you constantly reach for. It's perfect near a vanity, beside a bed, or by your entryway, because in small spaces, a mini shelf in the right spot can feel like adding an extra drawer. And that's it. 30 smart Amazon gadgets that prove small spaces don't have to feel small. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, making your bathroom feel like a mini spa, or finally getting control of clutter, even one of these picks can change your daily routine fast. If you found a gadget you're adding to your cart, drop the number in the comments. Like the video, subscribe for more smart home finds, and I'll see you in the next one.